Hi everyone, this is Tom from Learn Music with Tom, and welcome to the first section of the Music Theory Basics course, where we will take a look at the notes. Let's jump right in. All you need to know for this lection is your ABC up to the G, okay? And then you already know all the notes that we will learn in this lection. So let's jump to the piano and just show you the first note. Here's the A. And in this lection we're only going to take a look at the white keys, and you will understand in a minute why. So this white key is called A. The next one is the B, C, D, E, F, G, and here let's wait a minute, because the next key is not going to be the H, okay? No. We don't go too crazy here. We only go up to the G, and then we do something actually really crazy. We start over again with the A. So why is that? And for that we will have to take a look at the concept called the octave. So what's the octave? The octave is a word that describes the relationship between two pitches where the pitches are multiples of each other. So what do I mean by that? This A here has a frequency of 110 Hertz, which means the sound wave, it vibrates 110 times per second. And the frequency of this note, which I also called A, is 220 Hertz, which is the exact double of that, which means it vibrates 220 times a second. So when you take a close listen, it's even hard to distinguish and to realize that you are actually hearing two notes, a lower and a higher one. When I play them together, they smoothly intertwine, like they come along together so nicely that they almost appear as one note, right? When I play two other notes together, you can hear that it's a big difference between when I play two A's or I play an A and a G, or an A and an E, an A and a C sharp, and so on. So that's an octave, and that's why when we reach the multiple of the frequency, we will call it the same name. Alright, so basically that's all I wanted you to learn in this lection. We have notes that are simply named by the first 7 letters of the alphabet, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then again starts with the A. So our musical alphabet simply consists of 7 letters, and everything else, as you will see in the next lecture when we talk about sharps and flats, it builds up on the 7 basic letters that we use in our musical alphabet. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I see you for the next video, where we will talk about all these beautiful black keys here and how they're named and how we can understand their names based on our 7 musical alphabet letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G.